on the ramp. And third last out right there. Our third final performer. Alrighty, guys. Now, what we're going to do first is I'm going to introduce to you the bike riders one by one. Now we know who you watch throughout the show. Now, like I said, guys, first of all, my name is Brian Cunningham. I'm 36 years old, living in a town called Wayne, New Jersey. And the first bike rider is the youngest guy on the team. This guy is only 21 years old, living in a town called Woodward, Pennsylvania. So, guys, right now, let's give a big round of applause and welcome in Jay Dalton. Come on, guys, give it up for Jay. Check out Jay Dalton, guys, blasting a quarter bike right there. And a huge no-hander. One more time, guys. Give me a big round of applause. Jay Dalton. Alrighty, guys. Switching gears here. Not a bike rider. Instead, he is our inline skater. He's 25 years old from Scranton, Pennsylvania. Guys, make some noise. Give a big round of applause for Kevin LeBron. Check out Kevin right here, guys. Huge grab right there. One more time, guys. Give a big round of applause for Kevin LeBron. Alrighty, guys, our third and final performer. This guy is actually an X Games gold medalist. Raise your hand out there if you've actually heard the X Games. Who knows what the X Games is? Almost everyone does. This guy's an X Games gold medalist. So, he's 31 years old from State College, Pennsylvania. Guys, right now, give a big round of applause and make some noise for Jeremiah Smith. Check out Jeremiah, X Games gold medalist. Here he goes, guys, up in the air, over-ramped backwards right there. Hitting that quarter by Jeremiah on the ramps. Right there, a big take grab. Come on, guys, give it a big round of applause for Jeremiah. Alrighty, guys, now, the way the show's going to start off, guys, we're going to start the show off with some more basic tricks, getting harder and harder as the show goes on. But like I said, the more noise this half of the crowd and this half of the crowd all makes, the more dangerous tricks they will do. So one more time, Hughesville. Are you guys all ready for a bike show today? There we go. All right, guys, let's give them some music, and we're going to see what they got for us. All right, guys, first one today is Jake Dalton. So come on, guys, make some noise for my man, Jake Dalton. Check it out, guys, bouncing around right here on the front wheel and back wheel. Bar spin in right there for Mr. Jake Dalton. All right, guys, going to our inline skater, Mr. Kevin LeBron. He likes to hear the noise. He loves the enthusiasm. All right, guys, here we go to the top side stall right there. Here we go again. Huge knee grab right there. Grab the skate sideways. Check this out, guys. Going fakie up the ramp. Fakie means going backwards in our sport. All right, guys, not bad. Come on, guys. Put the ground pause for Kevin. All right, guys, next up. First one of the third tricks is Mr. Jeremiah Smith. Check it out right there, guys. On the front peg. The one thing we're missing, though, guys, is some noise. Come on, guys. Give some noise for Mr. Jeremiah. Jeremiah X Games like 3 or 4 times now. Check him out on the ramps. And right there, a no-hander, spreading his wings with there, trying to fly through the air. Not bad at all. Come on, guys. Give it up for Jeremiah. All right, guys, back to top of the order, Mr. Jay Dalton. The foot jam tail right there, kicking the bike all the way around. Not bad at all. Downside tail whip. Come on, you guys gotta make some more noise. And right there, upside down. A backflip 180 from Mr. Jay Dalton going upside down right there. That's how you ride a bike. All right, guys, here we go, Mr. Kevin LeBron. He's got a little rocket air, grabs her fucking toes, turns out best yoga stretch right there, and a 540 spin, 180 back in. Not bad at all. Kevin LeBron's on fire. Not bad. All right, guys, here we go again. Jeremiah Smith. Right to Jeremiah's got forward. Come on, guys, pump it up, make some noise with Jeremiah. Right there, ice pick stall, up to a foot jam. Not bad at all. Jeremiah throwing out some fake technical tricks. Check it out, guys. 360 going down backwards on the bike. A 360 going down backwards. And right there, a foot jam on the front wheel. Come on, guys. Give it a big round of applause, Jeremiah. Well, apparently, guys, I'm being told by the riders now. They're telling me they're a little tired about doing all the small tricks. So what do you think, Hughesville? You guys ready to Maybe step it up and see some bigger tricks or what? Bigger tricks. This guy's ready for it. All right, so we're going to bring the riders back out here. We're going to let them go in the air now. But like I said, the more noise you guys make, the bigger they will go. So here we go, guys. First one in the air, Mr. Jay Dalton. So come on, guys, pump it up for Jay Dalton right here. Let's see, we got first one in the air. How high with J5? Right there, huge Superman air. Both legs behind the bike. Call it a Superman air for Jay Dalton. All right, guys, Mr. Kevin LeBron, inline skater. Check it out right here, guys, on the ramps. What will it be? Give it a rocket at 180. Two tricks in one. Grabbing the skates, then going down backwards from Kevin LeBron. All right, guys, first time in the air, Mr. Jeremiah Smith. If you guys like Jeremiah Smith, come on, guys, pump up Jeremiah. Check him out right here. Right there, no big can-can. Both legs to one side of the bike. Hold on, no big can-can. All right, guys, back to the top of the order, Mr. Jay Dalton. Come on, guys, give him some love. Let's see Jay's guy going super high on the quarter pipe. And right there, big tail whip, kick the bike all the way around, and then back on the pedals. All right, guys, the hardest working man today, Mr. Kevin LeBron. What will it be? One thing he needs, though, is some more noise. Come on, guys, show some love. Right there, moving on 180, going down backwards again for Mr. Kevin LeBron. All right, guys, last one of the three riders, Jeremiah, the X Games gold medalist. He made it look like Shaun White, but he's actually Jeremiah Smith. All right, guys, here we go. Jeremiah's on the ramps. Let's put your hands together, guys. Give some noise for Jeremiah. Going big for you guys here today. It's like a bar spin to the lane nose footer, taking the hands off, taking the feet off. Come on, guys, give them a big round of applause to all three riders right now. Well, apparently, guys, Jay down there is telling me they want to try something special, something called a train. Now, in BMX, guys, a train means that we're going to have all three riders jump this ramp here back to back, very close together, and basically if one guy falls down, they can all fall down. So, on the count of three, I want to hear everybody here and over there all make some noise for these riders. Are you guys all ready for this or what? All ready, guys. Count with me. Ready? Pump it up for the riders. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Hughesville, make some noise. Here we go. We got Jay Dalton going first, followed by Jeremiah, and then Kevin LeBron. Right there, upside down 360, a huge 360, and another big grab for Kevin LeBron. One more time, Hughesville. Give them a big round of applause for all three riders. Well, Hughesville, so far, what do you guys think so far, guys? Guys having a good time or what? Yeah? Alrighty, guys. Well, we're having a great time ourselves here today. But before we go any farther, there is one thing that I want to talk to all you kids about real quickly. So don't go anywhere because we have more trips coming your way. That one thing is something that we feel is very, very important, called bike safety. So, by the show of raising your hands out there, how many of you guys have bikes at home? Raise your hand if you got a bike. A lot of you guys do. Bike riders, great. Now, if you guys have bikes at home, you guys probably already know the importance of safety gear. But if you don't, at this point in the show, guys, we're going to use our man Jay over here as a role model. So can anybody here say hi to Jay? Say hi, Jay. Hi, Jay. Now, I know that Jay and the other riders have been riding bikes now for about 10 to 15 years of their life. If they weren't wearing a proper safety gear, they would not be here today. So, starting off at the bottom of Jay's legs here, under his jeans, he has what's called shin guards on. Shin guards are good to have on your legs, in case you're riding a bike, you fall down, prevents scrapes, injuries, things like that. Above that, he's got big bulky knees because he can wear knee pads. Knee pads, again, guys, good to have on, keep you fall down, prevent scrapes, injuries, boo-boos, or anything like that. But more importantly, Hughesville, can you guys all tell me what is the most important thing that you guys all see on top of all three riders' heads here today? What is it, guys? I can't hear you guys out there. What's it called, guys? Helmet. There you go. A helmet is by far the most important thing anybody here can have on, whether you're doing bike riding, skateboarding, scootering, whatever it may be. In the future, be smart, wear your pads, and most importantly, wear your helmets. Now, with that being said, are you guys all ready to maybe see something more More dangerous now or what? More dangerous. All right, so what do you guys got in mind here? Anything crazy or what? The thing from last week? That didn't go so well, man, seriously. You want to try it again? What do you think, guys? Want to see Jay try something crazy or what? All right. Well, last week, boys and girls, short story. Last week, Jay tried a stunt at a school assembly with some volunteers. Unfortunately, the stunt did not go so well for the volunteers. He was fine. The volunteers Jay had, they're not feeling too good today. So, last week we had one volunteer. You want to try one again, or what are you thinking? Double it. Just do two off the bat. You been practicing? All right, I like this. All right, guys, do we have two extremely brave, I'm talking really brave volunteers? Jay, pick one from that side. I'll pick one from over here. Let's go with somebody really, really, really brave. Let's go with this guy down here, black shirt. Come on down, guy. Come on down to the danger zone. Who we got? This guy jumping the fence over here. I like his style. Jay, catch him there a little bit. Catch him. Don't know how his ACLs are. You want to blow down an ACL. All right, just jumps on down. He ain't scared. He's going to be a bike rider one day. All right, come on down here, buddy. How you doing, man? You ride bikes? You ride a helmet?
I actually get to see this.
That's awesome. How you doing today? Now, do you two have any of you what's going to happen right here? No ideas.
So what these guys are just doing right now, I already did.
We're going to put you two on top of that big green ramp right there, and Jay, with minimal experience in BMX, is going to hopefully jump up and over your heads. That's game plan, without giving any mohawks, tire marks, or anything like that, knocking your hat off. You guys game for this or what? You sure? You play baseball, that's not really the same sport, but close. You got a game tomorrow. Jay, don't knock his head off. Kids got a game tomorrow. All right, go over here to see the riders. They'll give you instructions on how to get up the ramp there. All right, guys. What do you think, guys? Think Jay's got this? Give me a thumbs up or thumb down for Jay. What do you think? Thumbs up or thumb down for Jay. All right, mostly thumbs up. I like it. All right, we're going to get the kids up there in harm's way. And hopefully, this goes better than last week. As soon as Jay gets some instructions, we're going to see how high Jay really can fly. How you doing, guys? You feeling all right? You nervous? You are nervous. He's not nervous, but you are. You got baseball tomorrow. I get why. All right, guys. Here we go. On three. Let's pump it up for Jay Dalton to run the kids over. Ready, guys? Pump it up on three. 1, 2, 3. Come on, guys. Make some noise for my man, Jay Dalton. Here we go, guys. Huge up and over. No problem at all right there. One more time, guys. Give it a big round of applause for Jay. Not bad at all. Wait. What's up, Jay? You're shaking your head. They did what? Guys, he's saying that one of the two volunteers may have flinched or ducked. Did you guys see him move or what, guys? What do you think? They flinched? Or what now, Jay? Do it again. What do you guys think? One more try from Jay or what? Yeah? All right, if you say so. Well, real quick, guys, real quick. Can everybody here do me a quick favor? Everybody raise one of your hands up in the air. Come on, guys, raise one of your hands up. Look at your volunteers and say, bye, volunteers.
Bye, volunteers.
Alrighty, guys. Now, if I know Jay, like I think you do, he may have something even crazier up his sleeve. But I need you guys to do me one favor and get really, really loud for Jay on a count of 3. So count with you guys and
here we go.
Up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on, who's going to make some noise? We're going to check out the 360. One take on huge upside down backflip. Come on, guys. Give me a big applause, Jeremiah and Jay. A 360 and a backflip right there. And while you're at it, guys, give it a big round of applause to both volunteers being so brave right there. All right, guys. Now, I have a question, and I'm pretty sure I know the answer, but how many of you guys out there want the chance to win some free autographed posters for the riders? Raise your hand if you want a free poster. All right. So my man Jay over here is going to grab 6 posters. We're going to do something called a cheer-off. What that means is that everyone here, just give me riders. everyone here gets a chance to win a free poster. The way it works is very, very simple.
There, you got one of them.
To you guys, and the loudest person here today will get a poster if they choose you. So, my simple question, guys, is this. Who out there wants a free poster? Here we go. Free posters all day. Kevin LeBron, we got Jay Dawn and Jeremiah. Free posters. I'm going down here myself. Let's get out of here. I can't hear any noise up here, guys. I gotta hear noise. Let's go right here. There you go. Thank you. You guys are the best crowd so far. Having the past 2 years, actually. Alrighty, guys. That was amazing. Thank you so much for all the noise, guys, the support. Now, at that point in the show, guys, we're done, right? We can go home now, or what? What do you mean, no? You want to see more tricks? I mean, what do you think, Jay? Jeremiah? You're tired? Ready to go home? He's tired, guys. Let's do a little vote. On 3, if you guys all want to see bigger tricks, like X Games style tricks, on 3, want to hear as much noise as you can to pump them up. If you don't want to see tricks, be completely silent. Just like that. Your decision, guys. On 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Jeremiah, I'm sorry, man. That means you got to do more tricks for the crowd. All right, guys. These are the bigger tricks of the show. But don't forget, the more noise, the bigger they go in the air. Grab your cameras, because now's the time to get a good photo of the riders. All right, guys. Don't forget the rules. The more noise, more tricks. Here we go. Jay Dalton on the ramps. What will it be? We're going to bar spin backflip. Upside down with a bar spin. Come on, guys. Give it a big round of applause for Jay Dalton. All right, guys. First big trick for Mr. Kevin LeBron up there on the ramp. Get into the game, guys. Give him some loving. Here we go. Kevin LeBron, what will it be? We'd like to have a 720 spin. Not 1 360, but 2. A full 720. Guys, give me a big round of applause for Kevin LeBron on 2 full spins on that ramp. All right, guys, Mr. Jeremiah Smith, what will it be? The X Games gold medalist. Come on, guys, give him some noise. Let's see him up his sleeves. Like a 360 no-hander flying through the air right there like a bird. A no-handed 360. All right, guys, back to the top of the order with Mr. Jay Dalton, the man who goes out to anybody here today. Check him out. And right there, double tail whip, not 1 tail whip, but 2 tricks in 1 jump. Come on, guys, give me a big round of applause, my man Jay Dalton. A double tail whip. All right, guys, second trick for Mr. Kevin LeBron. What do you got for us, Kevin? Show us something crazy. Come on, guys, pump it up right now for Mr. Kevin. Okay, a 540. A 540, 1.5 spins, landing backwards on the skates. Come on, guys, give it up one more time for Kevin. All right, guys, last one of the 3. He made some big on his sleeves, but the only thing we're missing right here, right now, is your noise, your enthusiasm. Come on, guys, give him some noise. Check it out right here, guys. Jeremiah Smith, a 360 tail whip, a tail whip and a 360. Come on, guys, give it a big round of applause for Jeremiah. Well, normally, Hughesville, usually those are the last 3 tricks of the show, but they're telling me that since you guys are such a great crowd today, they want to try one more big trick. So what do you think, Hughesville? You want to see one more trick for all 3 riders or what? Yeah? All right, so here we go, guys. One last time on 3. You know the rules, ready? On 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on, Hughesville, give us some noise. Here we go. Jeremiah followed by Jay Dawn, followed by Kevin LeBron. Here we go, guys. Right there, super, upside down backflip. That huge new pass from Mr. Kevin right there. Hughesville, if you guys have a good time today, give them a big round of applause for Jeremiah, Jay, and Kevin LeBron. I'd also like to invite everyone here down to our tent down there. We have autographs for free. The posters that you guys earned in the cheer, you guys are free to come down and get your autographs. Those posters, if you want to buy a poster for your kid or anybody else, they're only $1 for posters. Feel free to come on down and get a poster. They're only $1. Other than that, here's the deal. Thank you guys so much for having us here. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much. Hope to see you.